How old are you, ma'am? By the way, how old are you?
23.
Really? Is she 23? I thought she's 19. 19, yeah. Yeah, because of your figure. Oh, because a friend hand on you.
You are the girl of my dreams. It's my life.
Hey ma'am, can I interview 1 minute only? I'm a vlogger. 1 minute only, just a quick interview.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
What
You're beautiful.
you came here? Because your friends? Yeah.
Oh my God! Wow!
Nanonood ng sine.
What the,
Sa isang sulat mo ay nabilang ako.
what movie?
Horror
How about this?
movie.
I see those Korean. There was a movie that's Taiwan.
Look into my eyes.
Korean? Is it Japan? It's like there are a lot of men.
Saan? Hindi ko alam.
What's your name, ma'am, by the way?
Chen.
Chen, hi to Chen. Say hi to my vlog.
Kinikilig na naman ako.
Is your best friend or sisters?
Sister, my cousin.
Hi. Say hi. Do you live here? Do you live near here?
San Mateo.
How many hours? 1 hour? More than 1 hour? More than 1 hour?
20 to 30?
20 to 30?
20 to 30.
So there's no SM there. There's no SM.
Meron.
But
San
you prefer
Mateo.
here. You prefer here. So have travel, right?
Siguro ngayon lang nakakita ganda lalaki.
Yeah. How old are you, ma'am? By the way, how old are you?
23.
Remember that. Put it in your mind.
Really? Is she 23? I thought she's 19. 19, yeah. Yeah, because of your figure. Just a friend hand on me.
I believe I can fly.
And no, I forgot to ask your name. What's your name again? Sorry.
Chen.
Chen.
Remember that. Put it in your mind.
And you will go
Girl, your smile lights up.
now.
Yes.
Why? We have 10. We'll close here by 10.
Ang hirap sa inyo kung ano iniisip ninyo.
We have
Ano?
Get out of here. Get out of here, man. I'm saying.
May bibilhin pa kasi.
you have no plans in Starbucks? What? Starbucks? No. No gimmick. No gimmick.
Namamantala ka.
Did you enjoy earlier watching the movie?
Yes.
And did you see some handsome boy?
Boring.
Thank you for your time. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Ingat.